to have this very enormous job done and complete before, say, 20th of December, so that around 20th, General Karumba and I could come and declare the bridge open for public use.
That is what Musa Ichwera said, that by 20th of December. Welcome to Tami TV. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some breaking news that we need to bring to you right about now. NIA lock man-made Karumba. We know Karumba Bridge has been under construction for a very long time, but the report is coming about now as Norbert Mao tweeted on his X account that the bridge is going to be open by the 20th. That is right, December, before Christmas, and everyone is getting excited for that because it's a big day. It's a big day for a lot of northern Ugandans and people who come from the north. They know for sure that prices has increased so much compared to the way the bridge was still open. Considering when the bridge was open, I mean, the prices of things have actually increased so enormously that Norbert Mao tweeted on his account, and we want to look at that a little bit, and we also have some news that we're gonna look at right about now. Let's look at what this Musa Ichwera said about the bridge and what Norbert Mao actually also wrote on his Twitter account. Now we know that it's very, very important for all northern Ugandans to know that it's a good time to open the bridge. As you know, Christmas is coming, but it's gonna be a little bit late for a lot of people because business wise you still want to bring in your stuff before Christmas, but only 5 days to Christmas. It's going to be massive for a lot of people to move through and get a lot of stuff for Christmas. As we know, people celebrate Christmas so much in various ways, in various aspects. In all aspects of the bridge would automatically be open for use, and we are excited. People are excited to see that, and as early as it would be very, very pivotal for anyone going to the northern Uganda to really be excited for that particular moment when the bridge is all settled so the business can resume as normal. Now, Norbert Mao said something here that I want us really to look at as well in the bridge aspect. We know Norbert Mao has been very, very vocal on exactly what is happening so that many people can have that aspects of life settled. Now, Norbert Mao about the bridge, he said, the reopening of the Karumba bridge ahead of the schedule is great news. The economic impact on the closure of the bridge has been serious. Traders in Karumba, Gweyale, Kigumba, and Kamdini have borne the brunt of this closure. Now, prices have also gone up. Tour operation have also suffered. So that is what Norbert Mao really said for himself. So it's going to be very, very difficult, you guys, during this particular moment. We know the bridge was said to be only 3 months in to 3 months of work, which is very, very quick turnaround, I would say, as Mao is saying that the bridge is going to be open by the 20th, and Musa Ichwera also said that the bridge will be open right away by 20th of December. So that is one news that we have about the bridge. Now, on the other flip side, also we know that for sure the news have been coming out very, very closely on 2 occasions. Now, the Daily Monitor today came out with a very, very serious how can I say, a very serious note on particularly concerning education in northern Uganda and in Uganda as general. Now, as we know for sure, education, they're saying the rate of dropouts has really gone up so much, guys, that the Ministry of Education and Sports in Uganda are really alarmed on how many people have dropped out. Now, they're saying here, analysis of the Ministry of Education figures shows that more than 1.7 million learners from both private and government-owned schools who joined primary one in 2018 failed to make it to senior 6 this year, which is 2024. So now you can see that gap. 1.7 million students failed to proceed to finish their education in senior 6. Now the report is saying that the rate of dropouts is very, very high. Now in primary 1, if you see 2012, number of pupils that enrolled in primary 1 is in 2012 in both private and government school was 1,877,801. That was the number of pupils who joined in primary 1. Now looking at it now, in 2012 the dropouts was really, really crazy. Now the ratio of 2012 is primary 1 we had 1,877,000, that is 800 number. And now senior 6 we get to see in 2004 we see that 1,042,009 candidates, the same cohort who managed to register for Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education exams. That is only the number of people who went through to senior 6, which is very, very alarming if you look at the number itself. Now in 2012 we had 1,877,800. Now 2018 people who joined P7, that is primary 7, 671,923 completed, and then 1.2 million students dropped out in 2018. 1.2 million dropouts. And then in 2022 in senior 4 we had about 3,045,695 completed, and then 326,233 drop out. Drop out. Now 2004, which is now in 2006, we had 1,042,900 completed, and then 2 million, that is 2,003,686 dropped out. So the rate of dropouts in the current calendar for education in Uganda is alarming, and it's becoming a very, very big challenge all around the world, as we understand. So let's see, that is what Daily Monitor is bringing out as we bring to you latest news on Tami TV, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see exactly another news. On the flip side, we know there has been a fight in the parliament, and it's been very, very intriguing for many for many people. As you guys understand, we know for sure that Mr. Akol Anthony, that is the MP of Amora district, also fought with Zake. That is almost like beating him up, and he said he doesn't regret beating him because Zake, as you know, called him as a stupid acholi. So that is why he fought. Now the report is saying that Odonga Tao, who is the former MP of Aru County, came out on his Twitter as well. And he's very, very, he said he's gonna stand in for for Zake if Akol decides to, that is the lawyer of Zake decides to take Akol to court. He's going to be a witness. That is what he's saying. We know the controversy between Akol and Zake, between Akol and Zake, and also between Akol and Honorable Dongata on the verge of in the parliament, that is 2021, I think. They fought, and that was the case. Now Odongata wants to defend Zake in the court of law to help Zake win the case against Akol. What is this? We get to understand as we can go along and see if this case moves on, who is going to win the case. We know Zake has sued, or has actually written a letter to sue, that is Akol in court, and Akol has been suspended from the parliament as well. So we don't know exactly what is going to happen in this scenario. But those are some of the breaking news that I wanted to share with you guys. And let me know any comment that you have. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and be part of this wonderful channel as we bring to you most of the latest news in as far as northern Uganda and Uganda at large is concerned. In the flip side, right, in the international news, you guys already know Donald Trump has won the election for the US, and we want to dive and look at some of the repercussion of his rule of law. We know he's going to join the office that is on the 20th of January next year, and he has already started appointing his cabinets and other people who are going to help him in the rule of law. So that is no more in news. We all know we're going to discuss a little bit of the repercussion later in a different video, as I will bring to you the latest. So that is all as far as the latest news is concerned. Join me right now as we bring to you latest news from all around the world on Tami TV, as you subscribe and be part of the channel. One love. See you again in the next video.